GPS is one of those things that feels like sci-fi. You type nearest shawarma, and somehow a little blue dot on your phone starts moving around like it's possessed. But how? I mean, how does my phone know where I am, even when I'm in the middle of nowhere, holding a soda and bad decisions? Let's start with the obvious. Your phone is not magic. It's listening to space. Yes, actual space. GPS works thanks to a group of satellites about 20,000 kilometers above Earth, flying around at 14,000 kilometers per hour. Casual. These satellites constantly scream, "Hey, it's 342.17.00000 from me." Then the next one screams, "It's 342.17.00008 from me." And so on. Your phone is sitting there like an overworked receptionist, listening to at least 4 of these satellites at once and comparing their times. The difference in the time it takes each signal to arrive tells your phone how far away each satellite is. If satellite A is 20,000 kilometers away and satellite B is 19,500 kilometers away and satellite C is 21,200 kilometers away, your phone basically triangulates your position. Actually, quadrangulates. I just made that word up. It calculates the distances, draws imaginary spheres around each satellite, and wherever those spheres intersect, that's you, standing there, waiting for shawarma. Cool, right? Except here's the thing. Those satellites are flying at absurd speeds. Their internal clocks tick differently than our clocks. Like, relativity different. If your phone didn't account for Einstein's theory of general relativity, GPS would be off by 10 kilometers per day. That means it could tell you your food is right behind you when it's actually in the next city. Your phone literally does relativistic math just so you don't miss your Uber. And just to make things fun, the Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Signals bounce off buildings, trees try to sabotage your signal, and the weather laughs at your precision. Yet, GPS still works, most of the time. But wait, you ask, if my phone needs 4 satellites to find me, why does it sometimes work indoors? Good question. It cheats. Phones also use Wi-Fi and cell towers as backup. It remembers where you last connected to Wi-Fi, or how far you are from nearby towers, and makes educated guesses. Is it creepy? Yes. Is it convenient? Also, yes. Now for the part that sounds made up but isn't. GPS is completely free to use, but costs the US government about $2 billion a year to maintain. So the next time you see that little blue dot, maybe whisper a tiny thank you to the 31 satellites in the sky working overtime so you don't get lost in a mall. And yes, you now know enough to build GPS using sticks and space lasers. Sort of. That's going to cost you 1 subscribe, and maybe toss a like, so I can fund my dream of eating shawarma on the moon.